Alright guys, we're back working on this old gold truck. So we've rounded up some seats for it. We got us some seats here, and if you'll recognize this driver's seat, it's the one I showed you how to fix the seat bottom on the other day. Got this one ready to go. Got these all. These don't have air conditioning in them like the seats that came out of this old truck. So, oh, she's got the deluxe seats in her. Air conditioned seats, they're so deluxe. They ought to work pretty good. They're the right color for the truck, the right kind for the work truck. So we got these for the front. And then we got a bench seat. We got a blue bench seat, or the dark graphite gray really, for the back. So I'll set you guys up and I'll put these in here, and we'll get this thing to be ready to sell when we get all these seats in here. Y'all hang tight. So if you look around on the inside, I mean, this is what they look like when their seats are all gone out of them and the door seals are gone. We kind of cleaned up the mud out of the floorboards best we could. Got all the sludge and stuff out of it. So blew her out good with an air hose. And now she's ready to put the seats back in her. Good power tools make every job go better. It's a whole lot better than sitting there trying to turn a ratchet with your hand. Working back seat.
Seconds later.
got seatbelt wire underneath here. It's got to be plugged in. On these plain seats, that's about the only wire on them. Pins in the floorboard that line up that side of the seat. Pins lined up. She's in there. Find our hardware here. Get these bolts all tightened up here. Now we'll go to the other side. We'll get them other ones all tightened up. almost like a brand new truck. Just what we like.
Well, doggies. Ain't that be something?
It's brand new with just a little bit of use. Or it's brand new to somebody anyway. We'll get the door plate seals on this thing, and it'll be finished up. Got some seals plates to put down these edges here. We took them out to clean that floor out, get the dirt out of it. We got the little color match paint on the primer spots that were on it, on this side of the body. We'll go to the parts store and find us some gold paint, and we'll make that sucker match right there, boy. We'll get her where she's looking like a queen. It don't look real good, but it looks better than the primer did. It won't show up like a sore thumb like it did anyways. It ain't much, it's just old truck, but we'll get her sold and we'll go find something else. See if we can get these door seals in here. Like kind of got a mismatch hodgepodge going on here. So. But looks better than nothing. She's right tight and ready to roll.